Hi, my name is Ivana, and today I'm going to explain the challenge 6 that I made. I'm going to explain the programmation. Here you can see that we have a green light, a red light, a trigger, and echo. And here we have the number 5 in the internal, and 3 and 8. And we have a log duration and an interdistance. And here you can see how it works. And here you can see how the LED green starts turn on. And now I'm going to show you how the programmation sees in the Arduino app. Here you can see the same interns. And now I'm going to show you how it sees. Here you can see how this LED is turning on, and here is the distance we're going to make. And now the other LED is on. And that's all.
Hi, my name is Daniela, and I'm going to describe the code that we made for Tinkercad Challenge 6. Okay, so as Ivana explained, the simulation and the first part, I am going to explain the voice setup. First of all, we have the pin mode that indicates the pin that we are programming. Output means that it will be turned off. The green light and red light will show the different LEDs, and the serial begins is the time that has to pass to the programmation to start. Here we have the physical Arduino that it's connect first the positive and negative wires. Then is the resistance that is 220, and all that is connected to the things, to the same numbers that are in the Tinkercad. Here is the sensor that is also connected to the Tiro and to the Arduino. And as you can see here, it turns the LEDs into a different distance. So, sorry.
My name is Ivana Barronces, and I'm going to be explaining you one of the parts of the challenge number 6. So here on void loop, it says that the instructions are going to be reflected on here in the Arduino. Digital write trigger low, it says that, for example, here, the frequency, the energy is going to be low, like if the transmission is not going to be like very high. Delay microseconds too is like the time that is going to be like transmitting information. Then pin mode is that like the duration is going to be just like 2 milliseconds. Then digital write trigger high is the same. The energy, the frequency is going to be now instead of low, it's going to be high. And delay milliseconds too, as again, is going to be during 2 milliseconds. And finally, digital write trigger low. The frequency after the 2 milliseconds is going to be low, the frequency and the energy.
Hi, I'm Gala Mendoza Lopez, and this is my challenge. I'm going to explain the code in the number 27 to the 33. First, the duration. That means that it starts with the echo. Then this, that is the time of the duration, 0.034 divided by 2. Then the serial print distance, that means that we are going to talk about distance, and the serial print distance, that means that we are going to talk about that. Then the this is connected to the number 15 in our Arduino, and the turn off LED means that when this happens, the LEDs are going to turn off. This is my part in physically.
Hi, my name is Ana Sofia, and I'm going to explain the last part of our code. So as my partner said already, if the LEDs don't turn on, don't have the distance that is needed in order for the LEDs to turn on, the red light will turn on if the green light doesn't. So as my partner said already, if the green light doesn't turn on, then the red light will turn on instead. If it doesn't have the distance that is needed in order for the LEDs to turn on. And then at the end, the LED 1 and the LED 2 will turn on if the distance is okay. And okay, so at the end, the digital right indicates that the LED 1 has a higher intense, and the digital right LED 2 low is that the LED 2 will have a lower intensity. And that's the end of our code. Thank you.